Hi guys! Welcome back to another episode of LyndzyTIME! In today's video, as you can see on the title, I'm gonna be doing my hair again. I know I just colored my hair last month and now I'm gonna be doing it with another color again because right now I have a lot of white hairs. And since we are in quarantine right now, no salon and all, so earlier I went to CVS and I just thought of just getting this hair color. It's from Garnier and this one is in the shade Dark Intense Indigo. So right now I'm gonna be going to a dark hair color. I really don't want to put black on my hair, so I want to try this color and it's nice. It will give you a dark color, but then when you're on the sun, it will give you this bluish, color. So I chose this one and I bought 2 boxes of this one. So just in case if one box won't be enough for my hair, I have an extra one. So this retails for $7.49 each. And now let's start the video. By the way, it's gonna be my first time using this brand as well. I think this is a nice hair color because it says it's moisturizing and nourishing. So let's see. I'm gonna start. I know guys, it's already close to summer, which is like it will be perfect with light hairs like that, but I just can't deal with my white hairs. Let's check out what's in the box. First is this cream developer, and then this one is the nourishing color cream. Also comes with this. I think it's for hair polish after you shower. And then we have this conditioner, and of course the manual. Hope the gloves are here. Okay, have here the gloves. Okay, so while reading this one, it says it's better to apply at your root area. So I'm gonna apply on my root area first before I go to the ends of my hair. That's what it is stated here on the manual. So I think that's much better because my problem is really on my root where my white hairs are. And then leave the color for 25 minutes. And then also says here that do not save any unused mixture. The container may burst. So once you mixed it, just use it all. This is really hard when you just do it by yourself. So basically what I do here is just I'm sectioning my hair and then I'm putting on the hair color and just spreading on my roots, and I do it again and again until I'm done. It's gonna be my first time to try dyeing my hair with a base of blue color, because mostly I just do like brown or something burgundy like that. I never tried this one, so kinda excited what will be the result is. Just be patient guys. It's really hard to dye your hair when you're alone, but if you get some help, it's much better. Okay, so I'm done with the roots. I hope I already got it all. Now I'm just putting on the hair color all over my hair, and yeah, I'm making sure that everything is filled so it's gonna be good later on. So guys, I already dyed all my hair. So I just used one bottle and I still have more left on this one. Okay guys, so I'm done. I'll just wait 25 minutes and then I'll be back later on after I shower and I'm gonna show you guys the finished look. So see you later. Okay guys, so this is now my hair. So you can see it's so dark now. I don't know if you can tell that there's like a bluish hair color, but I think I need to go under the sun to be able to see that blue tone on my hair. I think you can tell like my highlights, because they are like the lightest one, so you can see that it's blue now. So I'm happy because my white hair already covered. So there you go guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you do so, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to be part of my hashtag #FamilyZ. See you on my next vlog. Bye!